This is an amazing lint brush, especially for pet hair. I have a dog and it definitely helps. So basically you just pull it out and there's an arrow. Make sure you stroke in that direction of your clothes. You just go down and then pick it off and pull it back up and just follow those steps and the hair will come out. It'll come onto the brush. You push this down and then back up and it will actually take the hair off of the brush and put it inside of the container. And it might look a little gross, but I'll show you what that looks like. At the bottom, it holds it there, and when you have enough, you can go through and just pull that out with something, with gloves, and all of a sudden it's clear and you can continue to do it. I actually got the 2-pack, that way I could have one in my car and one at home just in case. It does exactly what it's supposed to. Hey everyone, before we wrap up, I just want to let you know, if you're interested in purchasing the product I reviewed today, there's a link in the description box below. Just to be completely transparent with you all, I do earn a small commission from any purchases made through the link, but it doesn't cost you any extra. But using my link will go through and support my work, and I generally appreciate that. Your support helps me continue to create more content and provide honest reviews for you. If you'd like to see more product reviews, feel free to visit my Amazon storefront below. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope my tutorials continue to be helpful to you.